Welcome to the world of Lamborghini, a world of passion, luxury, and breathtaking performance. If you're here, it means you're about to embark on a life-changing journey, one that begins with the Lamborghini Urus. This guide isn't just about buying a car, it's about stepping into an exclusive lifestyle that redefines what it means to drive. Let's dive into everything you need to know about owning your first Lamborghini Urus. The Lamborghini Urus is no ordinary SUV. It's a super SUV, merging the raw power of a raging bull with the refinement of Italian luxury. With over 600 horsepower, all-terrain capability, and an interior that feels more like a private jet, the Urus stands in a class of its own. Whether you're tearing through a mountain pass or cruising through city streets, it's a car that demands attention and rewards you with every mile. Buying a Lamborghini isn't like buying any other car, it's an art. Start by researching the Urus models, trims, and packages. Whether you're considering the Performant for its sportier edge or a standard model loaded with luxury options, know your must-haves. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Even in the world of supercars, there's room for discussion. Remember, pre-owned models can offer great value, but always review the service history and mileage. And above all, let your heart guide you. This is a Lamborghini after all. Walking into a Lamborghini dealership is an experience like no other. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted with an air of exclusivity and passion. Take your time, sit in the car, feel the steering wheel, and immerse yourself in the brand's history. The test drive is where the magic happens, so savor every moment behind the wheel. And remember, this isn't just a transaction. It's the beginning of a lifelong relationship with one of the most prestigious automotive brands in the world. Owning a Lamborghini Urus isn't just about having a car, it's about embracing a lifestyle. Imagine pulling into your driveway with a machine that turns heads wherever it goes. The thrill of pressing the ignition button, the way it handles every curve with grace and power, it's a feeling like no other. And the community, Lamborghini owners are a close-knit family who share your passion for excellence. From exclusive events to unforgettable drives, the Urus isn't just a car, it's an adventure waiting to happen. Like any high-performance machine, the Lamborghini Urus requires care and attention. Routine maintenance, like oil changes and tire replacements, can be pricier than standard SUVs. But they're essential for keeping your Urus in peak condition. Always rely on Lamborghini-approved service centers. They ensure your car is handled by experts and maintains its value. While the costs may seem high, remember, this isn't just maintenance. It's preserving a masterpiece. Owning a Lamborghini changes more than just your driveway. It changes your life. From finding secure parking to adjusting your insurance, there are practicalities to consider. But it's also about embracing the freedom that comes with driving a vehicle like the Urus. Weekend road trips, exclusive events, and the sheer joy of every drive. It's a lifestyle that redefines luxury and performance. Your Urus isn't just transportation, it's your partner in adventure. The Lamborghini Urus is just the beginning. As you enjoy the thrill of owning this masterpiece, you might find yourself dreaming of the next Lamborghini to grace your garage. Keep exploring, attend events, and learn more about the brand's incredible legacy. The Lamborghini journey doesn't end with ownership. It evolves with every mile, every experience, and every dream. Caring for your Lamborghini Urus isn't just about keeping it on the road, it's about preserving a work of art. Let's explore some essential maintenance tips to ensure your Urus continues to roar with power and elegance. Your Urus comes with a recommended maintenance schedule outlined by Lamborghini. Stick to it. This includes regular oil changes, filter replacements, and system checks. Even if the car seems fine, preventive care is key to keeping it in peak condition. A Lamborghini is not your average car, and it shouldn't be treated like one. Always use Lamborghini-approved service centers. Their specialized technicians know every nuance of the Urus and will use only authentic parts to maintain its integrity and performance. The Urus's high-performance tires are crucial to its handling and safety. Regularly inspect them for wear and tear, maintain proper tire pressure, and replace them with Lamborghini-recommended tires when necessary. Driving aggressively. You might need replacements sooner than expected. The Urus is a powerhouse, and its high-performance brakes are built to handle that. Have them inspected regularly, especially after spirited driving or long trips. Don't wait for squeaks or reduced stopping power to act. Your Urus deserves to look as good as it performs. Use high-quality, non-abrasive cleaning products for the exterior, and ensure regular detailing. Inside, treat the leather and carbon fiber with specialized cleaners to maintain that luxurious feel. Modern supercars like the Urus rely heavily on electronics, so battery health is critical. Drive it regularly to keep the battery charged, and if you store your Urus for extended periods, consider using a Lamborghini-approved battery maintainer. Your Urus needs premium fuel, always. Avoid anything less than the recommended octane rating. Subpar fuel can harm the engine and reduce performance, robbing your car of its signature roar. The Urus is equipped with advanced sensors and diagnostics. If a warning light comes on, don't ignore it. Address it promptly with your service center to prevent small issues from becoming costly repairs. The Urus is as much a tech marvel as it is a mechanical beast. Ensure your software is up to date, including the infotainment system and driving assist features. Your service center will handle these during routine checkups. While it's tempting to unleash the full power of the Urus at every turn, responsible driving ensures your car stays in top shape for longer. Enjoy its capabilities, but always respect the limits of the road and your machine. Remember, owning a Lamborghini Urus is about more than just driving. It's about cherishing every part of the experience. Treat your Urus with care, and it will reward you with years of unmatched performance and joy. As a Lamborghini owner, it's tempting to seek advice from forums or online groups when maintenance issues arise. While these communities can be a great way to connect with fellow enthusiasts, always prioritize contacting your Lamborghini dealership directly for any diagnostics or repairs. The Urus is a masterpiece of engineering, and only certified technicians with the right tools and expertise should handle its care. Trusting unverified advice could lead to costly mistakes, or even compromise your vehicle's performance. When in doubt, always go straight to the source, your Lamborghini dealership.